Experiencing a network timeout error when updating your Escort radar detector? You're not alone. This video addresses the common issue of failed Wi-Fi updates on Escort devices like the Passport Max, Redline, and Live series. We'll break down what causes this error and how to fix it, drawing on the latest solutions as of March 2026. The network timeout error occurs when your Escort device or the Escort Live app fails to maintain a stable connection with the update server during firmware updates. This happens when the connection between your Escort device and the update server breaks during the firmware update process. Several factors can cause this error. First, unstable Wi-Fi connections can interrupt the data transfer. Second, slow internet speeds below 10 Mbps make it difficult to download the update files quickly enough. Third, firewalls or network security settings may block the necessary port 443, which is used for HTTPS connections required for secure data transfer. Fourth, outdated router firmware may not properly handle the update traffic, leading to dropped connections and timeouts. The update requires downloading between 100 to 500 megabytes of data. A timeout specifically happens when the system doesn't receive confirmation from the server within 30 to 60 seconds for each data packet being transferred. Start with the basics. Check your internet speed using a tool like Speed Test. Ensure your Escort device is within 10 meters of your Wi-Fi router. Disable any VPNs, as they can interfere with the connection. Restart both your Escort device and your router. Make sure your Escort Live app is up to date. Try switching between 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz Wi-Fi bands to see if one is more stable. Escort has been actively addressing the Wi-Fi update failure issue through targeted improvements to their app and infrastructure. In early 2026, Escort released a major app update, version 2.8.1, which introduced enhanced error handling to better manage network issues and improved retry mechanisms that automatically attempt the update again if it fails initially. Additionally, in late 2025, Escort migrated their update servers to Amazon Web Services, providing better reliability and scalability to handle more users and reduce the likelihood of network timeouts. To take advantage of these fixes, ensure you have the latest version of the Escort app installed on your device. For advanced solutions in areas with limited internet, enable low bandwidth mode in the app settings. This feature, added in October 2025, compresses update packets to work with slower connections. For devices like the Passport Max 2, use a wired Ethernet connection for more stable updates. Users have found success by clearing the app's cache and rebooting their devices. This simple step can resolve update failures caused by corrupted temporary data. In one documented case, a user with satellite internet experienced chronic timeouts. Switching to a mobile hotspot with LTE speeds resolved the issue, highlighting the importance of stable, high-speed connections. A logistics company managing a fleet of devices faced mass timeouts during updates. They implemented a VPN bypass and used Ethernet docking stations, reducing downtime significantly. These real-world examples demonstrate that network optimization is often the key to resolving update timeouts. The future of Escort updates looks promising. Escort plans to fully automate updates via cellular networks in future models, reducing reliance on Wi-Fi. The 2026 app integrates machine learning to predict and prevent timeouts. Expect hybrid update methods combining Wi-Fi and Bluetooth Low Energy for faster, more reliable processes. If you've exhausted all the troubleshooting steps and are still facing the Escort Wi-Fi Update Failed network timeout issue, it's time to reach out to Escort support for assistance. Escort support is equipped to help resolve persistent update problems that basic troubleshooting can't fix. One of the most helpful features is their automated diagnostics tool built into the Escort Live app. This tool can automatically analyze your setup and suggest specific fixes for your situation. When contacting support, be ready to share important details about your setup. This includes information about your Escort device model, the current app version you're using, and details about your network configuration. Having this information ready will help Escort support resolve your issue more efficiently. Most users experience resolution within 24 to 48 hours after reaching out.